Welcome to Future Under Fire, the series where big promises face hard questions. Today we are debating modern technology, artificial intelligence, automation, data, social platforms, and the systems now reshaping work, education, creativity, health, and public life. Our first guest believes technology can expand human potential when it is built responsibly. Our second guest believes unchecked innovation can damage jobs, privacy, creativity, democracy, and trust. We begin with the central question: is technology advancing humanity or overpowering it? Technology gives ordinary people leverage that used to belong only to large institutions. A student can learn from an adaptive tutor. A small business can automate operations. A founder can test an idea without hiring a full research department. A patient in a remote area can receive support that was once impossible. The danger is not that these tools exist. The danger is that society fails to spread access, training, and ownership widely enough.
That promise sounds fair, but power decides who benefits. If a few platforms own the models, the data, the payment rails, and the audience, people are not truly empowered. They are renting access to someone else's machine. Surveillance can be sold as safety. Dependency can be sold as convenience. Progress without enforceable rights becomes extraction with a cleaner interface, and the public usually notices only after the bargain is locked in.
Let us take that into the workplace. Companies say artificial intelligence will raise productivity, reduce repetitive tasks, and help teams move faster. Workers hear a different possibility: fewer jobs, more monitoring, and pressure to compete with systems they did not choose. So the test is simple: does technology make people more capable, or does it make people easier to replace? Used well, AI removes the lowest value friction. It can summarize research, draft first versions, analyze messy data, translate language, plan logistics, and support customer service. That does not remove human judgment. It makes judgment faster to apply. A nurse, teacher, engineer, or entrepreneur still decides what matters. The goal should be more capable workers, not invisible workers. We need training, not fear; adoption, not panic.
The problem is that companies do not always use powerful tools humanely. If AI is introduced only to cut payroll, workers carry the anxiety while owners keep the gain. If every keystroke, call, and movement becomes measurable, the workplace becomes a pressure chamber. Productivity is not progress if dignity, income, and bargaining power disappear. Efficiency must not become an excuse to erase people from the economy.
In healthcare and climate, advanced technology is not optional. Smarter diagnosis can catch danger earlier. Remote monitoring can support patients outside hospitals. Better grids, batteries, forecasting, materials science, and cleaner logistics are essential because old systems are not enough for new pressure. These are not toys. They are instruments for survival, resilience, and public service when deployed with care.
Life-saving tools still need accountability. A medical model must be tested, explained, audited, and challenged when it fails. A smart city must not become a surveillance city. A public algorithm that affects benefits, credit, policing, or speech must offer appeal and human review. If a system can shape a person's life, then a person must be able to question the system. Otherwise, automation becomes authority without responsibility.
Both of you are circling the same fault line. Technology is powerful, but power needs rules. Social platforms can help creators reach the world, yet they can also reward outrage. Generative tools can unlock imagination, yet they can also raise questions about consent and compensation. The public does not need blind optimism or blind fear; it needs a clearer bargain. Exactly. The answer is not retreat. Build better tools, audit them, teach people how to use them, protect privacy, and share the upside broadly. Give students AI literacy. Give workers a voice in deployment. Give creators rights in training data. Give the public transparency when automated systems matter. Technology can still be one of the greatest amplifiers of human capability, but amplification must be guided.
And the answer is not panic. It is power with brakes. Demand audits before deployment, rights before extraction, privacy before convenience, consent before scale, and consequences when systems cause harm. People should not be asked to adapt quietly to every new machine. The future should be negotiated in public, not downloaded overnight and defended later as inevitable. That is our debate for today on Future Under Fire. Now I want to hear from you. Which argument was stronger, and where do you stand on modern technology, necessary progress, serious threat, or both at once? Share your feedback in the comments, and tell us which topic you want covered in the next episode of this series. We will use your suggestions to shape the next debate.